In recent years, damage caused by natural disasters across the country have been impacting what people pay for homeowners insurance, and the premium price just keeps climbing.
Until this week, Iowa had experienced more tornadoes in 2024 than anywhere else in the country. As KCAU-9 reporter Tyler Euchner explains, some insurance companies are waving the white flag when it comes to offering homeowner policies. The details in our top story tonight at 10.
Thanks, Tim and Sophie. A local realtor insurance agent explained why natural disasters impact home insurance premiums even if the storms don't happen locally. According to S&P Global Market Intelligence, homeowners saw an increase of 11% to their insurance premiums in 2023 after a volatile 2022.
With so many storms, and obviously this spring already being a very, very active storm season across the Midwest, there's a lot of damage. It costs more to repair that damage than it did in previous years. So all of those challenges are really affecting the price.
Not only are storm damages impacting home insurance prices, but it's caused some companies to leave the state of Iowa.
Their expectation is that regardless of the premium that they can charge or that they would like to charge, that they will not be profitable with that premium. Rather than charging a ridiculous premium, they have just chosen to say that, you know what, we are going to fight a battle in a different state.
In the last year, 5 home insurance companies pulled out of Iowa, leaving many Iowans to search for a new company.
We have been able to write some new customers. We're happy about being able to write those new customers. We're happy to be able to find a home with a carrier that's interested in writing their business.
While current homeowners are impacted by fewer providers and price increases, new home buyers are likely to face more hurdles to purchasing their first home.
The bank had done their estimate for taxes and insurance, and all of a sudden, taxes are $5,000 a year, which was more than she had estimated. And then the insurance costs, we had to try 3 or 4 different carriers and do the absolute basic kind of insurance in order to get him under the limit in order to buy the home. And then afterwards, then he could actually up the amount of coverage and he could buy what he really wanted.
Before purchasing either your first home or moving to a new house, Pepin recommends talking with professionals about if you're ready.
If you're going to be close on your budget, I think you probably need to talk with your realtor, make sure that they really give you an idea of what the insurance is going to be for the next home. Maybe talk with somebody prior to making an offer. Call an insurance brokerage and see how much it would cost on that property if they can give you a ballpark. Certainly know how much the taxes are.
For any questions about your insurance rates, Nicole's recommends contacting your provider to find out more. Tyler Euchner, KCAU 9 News.